to Honolulu. Here for Hawaii. And Allison waiting. Hi, Allison. We're waiting to get a clear wristband to go to Hawaii. Are you guys after 5 hours? We're about to land in Honolulu. Can't wait to get off the airplane. Everybody, we just landed here in Honolulu in the airport. Ooh, get the lei. Ooh, they're pretty. Come on, you can keep going, girl. Pretty, huh? Whoa, look at outside. Paradise. I knew it. I knew it's warm. 80 degrees, but it feels like 90 because it's humid. We are here. Honolulu. We have a wristband over here. Look at the floor, girl. The floor with the flowers. Make room. Come over here too. Go, Austin. Go next to Austin. Daddy, Alena wanna stop by in here. Ooh. Let me see this. Hello. A lot of cute stuff. A swimsuit. There's no swimsuit. Come on. We get it later. Aloha. Aloha, Aston. Waiting for our bags. Yeah, we got soap here, water, and then and you can dry your hand here at the same time. Oh, very cool. Stretch out. We've been in an airplane too long. Sorry, right there. Alright, you guys, we got our rental and we're on the way to our hotel. And here's our view. We passed by a bunch of stores, but I didn't get to see them yet now. It's like a resident area. Look at this.
Street view from Kent,
Yeah. in Florida right now, not Hawaii. So we'll see later on this evening, see how the weather feels. This is probably $1 million home right here. Kunia Iva. The view not so great right now. I will film some more later from Aloha State. Now you guys at our hotel. The hotel is right there. The orange one over there.
In half a mile, turn right.
Look at the way to get in. Oh my god, so beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Let me zoom out. There we go. Whoa. So nice. Tropical paradise. That's what they call it. Ko-Olina. She said stop.
No. Yeah, this is where the luau that we want to come to, but sold out. Paradise Cove. It could have just been around the corner, but I guess it's sold out. Paradise Cove.
Wow, it's beautiful. Let's see. You feel there. Oh, it's still warm, but it's warm but breezy. Beautiful way to get in.
Those condos look like the one we rented last time.
Flower, Dog Champa. So beautiful. This one Four Seasons Resort. It's our hotel. Ulani. Four Seasons. We'll go check out our room.
Check it out.
Turn right. Then the destination is on your left.
Turn right.
Ulani right there. Ulani Disney Resort and Spa.
Here we go. Oh wow.
Arrived.
Check in. Tropical paradise. Here we are. It's our hotel. Walk in. Whoa. You want to go right here? Okay. Let's go to the room then. Gotta go to our room.
Go get a wristband from that same lady.
Uh-huh. Which tower we going? It's our room. Hello.
Come on in.
Turn on the light. It's so dark in here. We have kitchen. There's the number one.
No. It's a different.
Oh, it's kind of dark.
Right here.
Kitchen.
Right here, yeah. Oh.
Kitchen.
Go back and
Living
redo it.
room. It's okay.
Dad, this is another person here.
Is that one bed somewhere? Oh, oh. Oh, the room is big. The bathroom is big.
Look.
Yeah, 2 balcony.
Look at.
Okay.
Here we are on the first floor to the swimming pool and spa area. Wow, so green over here. Luxurious. Oh, beautiful. I like the leaves. This leaf is beautiful. Oh, yeah. her room is up there somewhere. Villa Mado, if you want to buy one here, you can. The lazy river. Ooh, go up to the slide. The tiki torch. Let me give some drinks right there. That's Lilo and Stitch. So we can get something to eat. I think we could get something to eat here and swim, swim. Or just drinks and snacks.
Look at the one. Look at the one slide over there. Oh. But they're really long. It just swirled and then it just ended. This is a regular pool.
I don't think there's beach access here. Oh, oh yeah, it's pretty. Very pretty. Look at this. Oh man, very pretty. Do you like it, Elena? Very beautiful.
What's this place? Alani?
Ulani, yeah.
Alani.
บิ่งซ้ำนี่say hi ว้าวว้าวว้าวม่วนบ่ลูกปลาโชดินเดียวบายแฮปปัน
บายบายมามีบายบาย
เอาจักโตบ่มาเด้อ
Don't go swimming. Don't go swimming.
Not too close, baby. Not too close. Allison, move back. You're gonna drop your iPad in there.
Yeah. Then we made him go.
What's that red thing? Oh, never mind. That's a toy. That's fire and water.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Fire and
It's represent.
Keep right toward Honolulu.
It's represent wealthy. Wealthness.
Arrive at Costco.